ain't gonna hold you, sis. I ain't gonna hold you, sis. Y'all, I'm feeling this wig.
Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up. You know the type, you know the guy. As soon as you're close to erase all the lies, get him out your mind. That's when he finds you. Don't take it as a sign. You know he's lying, saying that he wants to be mine. Like we could be fine. Yeah, somehow he finds you. That's his trick. Say his name 3 times in a mirror and watch your self-respect just disappear overnight. Overnight. Thinking he's slick, putting in just enough words to make you think he deserves some of your time. Oh my, oh my. Even right in front of his eyes, he wouldn't recognize if it was love. If it was love. Even right in front of his eyes, he wouldn't recognize if it was love. If it was love. You know the type, you know the guy, the one who wants everything but can't decide. It's hello, then goodbye. Wish for everyone at the same time. He likes to chase, cause somehow it's safe. Never planning on actually staying. Yeah, you know he's just playing. That's his trick. Say his name 3 times in a mirror and watch your self-respect just disappear overnight. Overnight. Thinking he's slick, putting in just enough work to make you think he deserves some of your time. Oh my, oh my. Even right in front of his eyes, he wouldn't recognize if it was love. If it was love. Even right in front of his eyes, he wouldn't recognize if it was love. If it was love. No, he wouldn't know. He wouldn't. He wouldn't know. No, he wouldn't. He wouldn't know. No, he wouldn't. He wouldn't. He wouldn't. He wouldn't know. He wouldn't know. He wouldn't takers and givers. I've been called the latter, but am I really a giver? If I don't give to myself, don't take care of my health, care for everyone else, I
usually give away my best, but get into this reset. Get into this reset. Get into this reset. Take a skill for something called the ladder. Get into this reset. Yeah. I'ma adjust my clock like daylight savings. Next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new, but this was me before you. Ain't nothing to start over. Owe me on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah. Reset. Ain't nothing to start over. Owe me on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah. Yeah. Reset.
Y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the wig that I'm rocking was sent to me by Geeta Hair. I hope I'm saying that right, but every time I seen them, every time they would email me, I automatically would think of Geeta. And maybe that's just because I'm country ghetto, but all I could think was Geeta. And I feel like this wig, you know, like when you put it on, you be like, Geeta. That's how I feel. But anyways, shout out to you, boo. This is my first time collaborating with this company, and shout out to you for this sponsorship. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that your girl is rocking, let me go ahead and tell y'all, they did send me this unit in 24 inches. It looks pretty long on me, but that's because I'm 5'4", but you guys will be able to see that better once I do the full 360 and length check. Okay, so I'm clicking on the link that they sent me, and it says Brazilian body wave hair 13x4/13x6 HD transparent lace frontal wig, pre-plucked hairline, best human hair wig, Geeta Hair. So you can get this unit in a 13x4 or 13x6. They did send me the 13x6, as you guys can see, because the C part is seeing, honey. All right. This unit is available 150, 180, and 250% density. And I ain't gonna hold you, I'm not sure what density they sent me. Check the card over here or check the description down below. Now this wig is available in 14 to 36 inches, all being even numbers. And as I stated, I do have this wig in 24 inches. It says the brand name is Geeta. The hair material is 100% human hair from one donor. The texture is body wave. It's in a natural color. I told you guys all the densities that came in, as well as the lengths. And it is HD transparent lace. It says lightly pre-plucked natural hairline. Average, okay, the wig size, it says average size head. Attention, if you need a smaller or bigger cap, please contact us or leave a note with your order. So keep that in mind. And then they did a list of advantages. It says invisible lace look, soft melt with scalp perfectly. Did they lie? Easy to begin, easy to install, beginner friendly, protective style, can be a glueless install, no shed, tangle free, bouncy, and breathable. Did they lie? Alright, so that is pretty much all the details and specs. Now, I do want to go ahead and mention the reason why I did the little lace thing, I mean the little cutting thing that you guys saw me do, where I was cutting the hair to layer it, was because they asked me to. Okay, they sent me this TikTok of this girl just like slaying her hair. And you know, because they wanted me to do something different, a different style. This is more of a traditional look, so they wanted me to do a different style. So I gave it a shot. Now I know how to layer my hair without doing that, but it is a really cool, friendly hack. I do also want to mention that they asked me to put this little braid in, and I tried to do the butterfly thing as best I could, like she did. But you know, honey, your girl is old, okay? So I did it to the best of my abilities. I like it, but you know, it don't quite look like hers was looking. But you get the point, okay? So you get the point. Don't play with me. Yeah. Now, as far as this lace and stuff, honey, I did bleach the knots, but as far as the tweezing, girl, as far as the tweezing of this unit, as far as how this lace is a lacing, honey, Get into it. Get into it. All right, girl, get into it. And I even decided to do a little baby hair over there, okay? Like the young girls, okay? I feel like they love to put a little swoop over there on the side. I decided to do that too. Chrissy can do that too, okay? But yeah, I decided to go for this overall look because now, granted, the video that they sent me, it had a bust down. I felt like this unit was giving me curved part. I didn't want to do a bust down. So I still did what they asked, just with a curved part instead of the middle part. As far as shedding and tangling, honey, I have not received any of the things. It's not to say old girl won't do any of the things at some point. Just to straight out the packaging, old girl is doing other things. As far as it being big head friendly, I feel like this unit is medium head friendly. I think if you have a bigger head or a smaller head, you should ask them for that size. Whatever cap size you wear. I feel like it's made for whatever cap size you actually wear. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons, as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. We're gonna start with the pros and cons because you know I like to end on a high note. Now this unit is a 13x6 frontal, but like a lot of 13x6 frontals that I get, on the sides you don't have a whole lot of space. You know, if you want to do that super deep like you got right here, but that is it. So I want to throw that out there. That is gonna be my con. Honey, it's not a big con to me, but it may be a big con to somebody, and I couldn't think of nothing else. Okay, you guys know if I can't think of nothing else, I'm gonna come up with something. If I can. Now I'm not gonna hold you, sis. The pros are endless. I love this hair. It feels really good. It held heat well. It curled, like the curls are chef's kiss. The hairline is chef's kiss. It bleached perfectly. The styling was easy. I'm not gonna hold you, sis. This hair got more pros than anything, okay? So those are gonna be my pros with this unit. Child, obviously I would recommend the wig. Did you hear my pros? Did you hear my pros? Obviously I would recommend this wig. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. Sit on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this look. What you think about the way that I layered the hair. What you think about this little fake butterfly braid. Like, I was looking for my little gold things, because you know I like to throw a little gold in my little braids, but I couldn't find it. But let me know what you think overall of this look. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Sound off down below in the comments to you, girl. Like, I feel like I'm feeling this, y'all. I feel like I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Like, let me know down below. Once again, shout out to you, girl, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not costing not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty with IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you bugs next time. Bye.
Your love completely got every style and weekly. Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous.